Hello everyone. This is a watch named Laurels which I bought it from Amazon, and the link I have mentioned in the description so you can check it over. It's actually black in color. They have kept the watch in a good case with a sponge in it. Inside there is a warranty card. So within 10 days if there is any defect, you can either give it to Amazon, or if the 10 days is over, you can mention to this address. So here's the watch. It's actually a black dial watch with a silver color needles and a silver color lining above that. The strap is also good quality. It's so strong enough. So there is a arc shaped leather, so it covers your wrist properly. And the leather has a pattern of two lining with a leather texture on it. And the inner surface is of smooth quality. It is a stainless steel back cover, and the watch is of course a water resistant. So it also shows a date as well as time. The dial is very good. There are two holders for your strap. And the hole pin is also shiny and of good quality. Here if you see, my hand is lean, but the watch fits perfectly to my hand. It also fits to all those people with different sizes. So it has fitted perfectly to my hand. This watch looks good for coats, jeans, formal shirts, etc.